Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create a contact form in WordPress. So if you have a website that you built with WordPress and wanted to create a contact form by yourself without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Basically, this is very beginner friendly WordPress tutorials, and I'm going to share the easiest way so that you can do it any technical skill or any previous experience. So let's get started. Here is my website e-commerce thesis, and you see this is a digital marketing agency, especially e-commerce SEO service provider, and I'm going to click on the contact page. Here is the contract page, and you can see that there are no any contact form, but we should add a contact form in the contact page, and that's why we are going to record this video to show you how you can draw this for your website also. Okay, to draw this you have to go to your dashboard. I'm going to my WordPress dashboard, and you have to click on the plugins, and I have already two contact from plugin, Forminator and Ninja from, but if you want to add others from, then you can click on the add new plugin and just search FORM. Then you'll find a lot of most popular form in here, and for example you see Forminator right now on my website, also Ninja form, but there have others popular, for example WP form, contact form 7 from, and fluent form. Also there have others middle range popular form in here, but we are going to create our form with Ninja form because it has some unique features that is perfectly match with my requirement. For example, it has submission management feature, and I have to use it for track my customer request and collect all my customer information in a one place. That's why it's very important feature for free for me. Okay, you can check out the details of this from by click on here. Already 500 companies use this from. Okay, I'm not going to provide the review, just going to use this form for this video. So click on plugins, inactive, then click on the active Ninja form. I'm going to activate, and of course I will update it, but you see there is a Ninja form. Click on the dashboard, and there are some previous form in here ready from. Also if I click on the submission, select any form, you see here is the submission, but today I am going to create a new form. So click on the add new, then I can select any template or category from here. For example, create a post, edit user profile, Mailchimp sign up, register user, PayPal checkout, step payment, file upload, but we wanted to create a form for general inquiry or contact us. So basically going to create a contact us form. So click on it, and here is the ready form. Now I can customize it. Just click on the email and action, then I can settings the submission record, email confirmation, then email notification. I can change the email notification, success message as my need. I can change everything. Here is the advanced option, and finally click on the publish. Okay, and go back, and you see there is a form name Ninja form, and you see there is a form name fill the form to contact us. Copy this shortcode, go to my us page or contact me, click on the edit, and simply search form or code, select shortcode, add this shortcode in here, click on the save, and finally click on the view site, contact. Wow, you see there is a ready form. So to make it perfect, we have to add some design. For example, we have to add column. I'm going to use this one, then add from in here. Okay, select from. This one very easy process. Okay, click on the save, and finally reload. Wow, you see the form has been added in here. But if you want to make it more professional, we can just delete this full section, delete, also delete, and add from in here. Search from and drag and drop in here, Ninja from, delete, okay, click on the save, and reload. It looks nice right now. Then previous, I can delete this text also. Yes, click on the save, it looks good than previous, but we have to work more in here, remove this text. I hope you understand how to create a contact form very easily in WordPress without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.